Happening everyone, it's your boy here, Abdul, back again with another great amazing graphics video. Well, today we're gonna learn something called Adobe XD. Now some of you are familiar with that, some of you you're not. Now Adobe XD is a prototyping software whereby you can make your own designs so as you can share with a client or somebody who wants to see your design. Now there are a bunch of stuffs which we can consider by using Adobe XD. Now matter of fact, it's up on the app section, I mean the user interface of the app, and another kind of section is the web section, and another kind of section it's app icons, and many more stuffs. We can just begin on the Adobe XD. Now what I have here today is something. First of all, I have to give you guys like something like a touch. It's called material design. I hope some of you guys came across material design. It's something which was so popular in 2013-14 when the Android lollipop just first came out. It's a library of Google. So material design gives you a lot of things, and nowadays material design came out with a new features called the material redesign, which is something which is so good. Now if you go to material.io, you can get a lot of info there, so all the links will be down below in the description. So yeah, so another kind of stuff, we can go to the layout. Now understanding the layout, it's so important. Before you design any prototype, you must understand the layout of whatever you want to design. Perhaps it's a mobile app. Now I'll be targeting especially mobile apps. It's something which it's not like a trendy, but it's something which we usually come across it. You have ever used a mobile app and you get those kind of interaction by using only a prototype can give you a guide. If you're a designer or you are an app developer, by using a prototype is the most important. Is just like a map, a guide which can help you out. Something which is so great, we are having a plugin on Adobe XD, which is something which is so important. And some of you guys, you may come across plugins. What is plugin? Plugin is like a third-party library which helps you or gives you that kind of feelings of something which is so important about that kind of library, which can execute upon. Perhaps it's a library of shapes, can give you a bunch of shapes. Instead of you going to Photoshop and add a certain shape, you can just use a library. It's a third-party plugin and things can be great. So yeah, another kind of stuff about this kind of libraries, you can just get them here. You just click on plugins, but this works on the latest version of XD. You must consider that first of all. If yours is outdated, make sure that you update it. Another kind of stuff is jumping into the Workspace. Now Workspace, just go home. Now we have here iPhone, we have iPad, we have web, we have custom size. I just go to Android mobile. So yeah, inside Android mobile, we are having our first artboard. Now this is our first artboard, and we have another kind of artboard which we can add it just by pressing here. We get this kind of list of many artboards here. We can just select the type of artboard. If you want to work with the Surface Pro, if you want to work with the different types of artboard, you can just select it and it gives you that kind of artboard. Now I just want to use Android mobile, so adding that, get another kind of artboard. Now I'll give you some demonstration on how you prototype your app, and it gives you some detail in just a few moments. So yeah, so by using just square, we can just put something here. So I don't want to like bore you watching this video. Let me do it fast a little bit. So we are actually done with our first design. Like we did the colors, the end shape and stuff like that. Just copy that and paste it here. So here to be on navigation, and this one will be on navigation bar. Now we can make one cycle shape here, so as you can get some demo. So change it to be a little bit any color you want, and when we click this shape, it's gonna open throughout another kind of layout. That means is interacting between one single activity to another second activity by just using only clicks. Now just go to prototype, click your shape, then you see this kind of string. This is called penetrating to another second activity, or it means joining to another second layout or activity. So drag over and leave it there. So we have something like this. Now we can only select if we want to tap or drag, or even we can use our voice. Now we just want to use tap voice, we can check it out later. It's so dope by using your voice, but nowadays nobody want to use voice on the app. Come on, like, seriously? Okay, now just press on the prototype, press play. We can get our app. Now if you hover with your mouse, you can click it, but still nothing happens. Now click here, change this one and give it somewhere there. Now there is only tap and something like that. Go back here, change this shape to another color so that it can give us a little bit different demonstration. I left the same color so it won't show us any change. So go back here to prototype, play and press this one. We have that color. Now you can see we changed our color throughout prototyping. We are having the black one. That means you can change throughout linking. Now I want to link this one stuff here again, to go back here again, and transition, I may change the transition. Animation, I want it to slide right, so play again. So click here, slide there, click here, slides there, click here, slides there, click here, slides there, just like that. So we made our first app layout, which can give you a little bit of demonstration how the Adobe XD is gonna look and how it's gonna work. Now to do a lot of further designs which are gonna look a little bit more interesting, I'm gonna do this video a little bit more faster. Now we are done with our layouts, setting up everything. Now as you can see, we're having two cards here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just press Ctrl+R to get this kind of grids. This means it helps out to give you a simple duplication instead of you highlighting everything and press Ctrl+C plus Ctrl+V. This is like just check this out. You see how it's gonna be. It's very nice and keeps its own self steady. So we get those kind of grid or card view in a certain way whereby they're looking amazing. Now we're gonna grab a few pictures here. I'll drop our pictures now, keep it somewhere there. Now we can implement single picture per picture. You can see another picture somewhere there. And what I like about it, it aligns its own self throughout the cards. That's something which is so great. Another kind of stuff. So drop another picture here, and we drag drop another kind of picture somewhere there. Drag drop another kind of picture somewhere here, and we drag drop another kind of picture somewhere there. So we got all our cards view here, nice and steady. This is like a gallery. Looks very clean, very nice and sharp. Now what we're gonna do is whenever somebody clicks these pictures, it opens in this kind of activity. Now it opens. How does it open? It opens this way. I'll drag drop my picture, keep it somewhere here, and I'll do minimize, and so you can just align its own self in a good way so it won't be distracted or destructive. So we're gonna have something like this. So yeah, now another kind of stuff which you have to consider is something like this. Now we need the grid of these pictures to be somewhere there down, so I have to select all the pictures I imported. Like we can just do this way, just copy, then paste it aside so it can be in our layout somewhere. I want it to be okay. Let me just create another new card which will be like a dummy card which we can import anything, 1920. Yeah, then just import it somewhere there, then just increase everything like 1 2 3. Okay, I get it. Now from this side, I want to ungroup everything, yeah. Click this picture, bring it somewhere here down. Now this first picture, I hope you guys kind of feel me what's gonna happen. So okay, minimize it, keep it somewhere here, steady, to be the same dimension with the other picture. So in this one, same. Keep it somewhere there. We are done with setting up everything. Now jumping to prototype as quick as fast. Okay, now after jumping into the prototype, we have to select first of all this kind of stuff, then we link it on this kind of activity. That means the transition gonna slide into right, and after that we have this kind of menu. This one, I'm gonna select this one and turn it to another second activity, which is the first activity we made it. Then return it, slide it to left. After that, we're having another kind of stuff. It's selecting this picture, the outer picture, this one. Just hold this one. This is dragging it. Keep it on another kind of activity. Then just slide it to left. Then after that, let us preview activity. Not yet. Now click this navigation. I forgot about that. Click it and return it back to home. Now slice to left. Now home. Let us keep it even down. Now click play. We're having our activity here. Now by previewing this one, you can see we are having our pictures. We're going back again. We can go back to another activity, which was our first activity. Now click the second picture. You can see we're having our gallery, and we can return even back again to the activity. Now something which is interesting, we made this kind of back options. Now we can select this back option, smaller one, click it here and return it back again. Another kind of stuff, click this one and return it back again. As you can see, all they're linked. This one is linked and this one is linked. Now there's no need again to press the navigation bar. Just click here, then click here to take you back to home, and click the picture to take you back here. Click here to take you back to home. Click the picture to take you back here. This one will take you again back. This one will take you again back, and this one will take you again back here. Now as you can see, the whole method of this kind of thing is about showing you how you can prototype your own apps. You can prototype your own website. You can prototype a lot of things if you want to prototype them. Now I hope you enjoyed this kind of video, and yeah, if you're new here, consider to subscribe. My name is adobexd, and yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Stay creative, and yeah, that's what's up. So peace.